How much time do you spend every single week skimming leaves off the top of your pool, scrubbing scum lines, or dragging a clunky manual vacuum across the bottom? If you are ready to completely automate your pool maintenance and reclaim your weekends, you have to see this. We are breaking down the absolute latest innovation in pool care, the 2026 Beatbot Sora 70 pool vacuum robot in a stunning lilac finish. This isn't just your standard ordinary pool cleaner that gets stuck in the deep end or tangles itself in a long power cord. This is an ultra-premium, entirely cordless cleaning powerhouse engineered for total pool mastery, handling the floor, walls, waterline, and even the water surface all on its own. What makes the Sora 70 a total game changer is its revolutionary jet pulse water surface cleaning system. Most pool robots completely ignore the top of the water, forcing you to buy a separate skimmer. The Sora 70 uses dual high-pressure water jets to actively pull floating leaves, pollen, and debris directly into its massive 6-liter filtration basket. Under the water, it leverages a professional-grade 6,800-gallon-per-hour suction pump alongside dual-group roller brushes to obliterate everything from heavy acorns and twigs down to microscopic fine sand. Thanks to its smart Sonic Sense dual ultrasonic sensors, it doesn't just bump around blindly. It maps out optimized S-shaped paths and can even climb up to clean shallow tanning ledges and steps as shallow as 8 inches, an area where almost all other robots fail. But what I love most is how incredibly effortless it makes the worst part of pool ownership, retrieval. Powered by a massive 10,000 mAh battery, it can clean massive pools up to 3,200 square feet for hours. When the job is done, its smart surface parking system automatically floats the robot right to the edge of the pool. You simply tap the app or grab your pole, and as you pull it out, the smart drain system instantly releases all the trapped water inside. It makes the unit light, easy to lift, and simple to pop open the top hatch to rinse out the single basket filter. Whether you have a free-form in-ground vinyl pool, a classic rectangular concrete setup, or a large above-ground pool, it completely eliminates the chore of pool maintenance. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your free time to pool skimming and start diving into crystal clear water every single day, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, your summer and your pool will thank you.